On the 9th day of Christmas, Rob Top gave to me Neon Sawblade by Aeon Air. On the 10th day of Christmas, Rob Top gave to me Midnight Glimmer by Linuti. Yeah, sadly, most of the progress was lost, so sadly, you're only going to get about 2 clips of footage. I had 9 minutes of footage. All my storage went out, so thank you and enjoy the video. Even discarding the secret way, this is one of the easiest demons you can possibly beat. It's only easy demon because of this UFO. What? No! No! What is that? Each easy demon will also get progressively harder. So Midnight Glimmer was an easy demon. Only taking me 80 attempts with lost practice runs because I did do a full practice run. And each easy demon will get progressively harder. So I'm going to put that firmly in the video. I did it! Yes! 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 GG! Wow, that took... I got the bird robot! I got the bird! I got the bird! Oh my god.